Let me show you how to make this irresistible crunchy Papdi Chaat. Alright, let's go. To start with, grab a bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, a teaspoon of salt, and give it a quick mix. Now, drizzle in some olive oil and start kneading the dough. We want a smooth, slightly firm texture. A pinch of cumin seeds goes in for that earthy, warm flavour. Mix it well into the dough. Dust some flour on a flat surface and roll out the dough evenly. We want it nice and thin for that perfect crunch. Now, grab a glass and cut out little circles. These are going to be our crispy papdi. Time to fry. Drop them into hot oil and watch them turn golden brown and crunchy. This right here is what gives Papdi Chaat its signature texture. Once they're perfectly crispy, take them out and let them cool. Let's move on to the flavorful salad mix. In a bowl, add 1 cup of chickpeas. Next, toss in a diced tomato, boiled and cubed potato, some diced onions, and a fresh mix of lettuce and cucumber for that crisp freshness. A sprinkle of chaat masala, also known as tangy spice mix, goes in. Then, a drizzle of orange juice for that sweet and sour punch. A tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, some crushed black pepper, a pinch of salt, a bit of fresh coriander. Now this green paste, it's a blend of fresh mint leaves, that's our secret spicy kick. And lastly, add a spoonful of mango sauce in it for that sweet, savoury taste. Mix it all up. This salad is packed with bold flavours, tangy, spicy and a little sweet. Perfect for layering onto our crispy papdi. Now let's assemble. Lay down the papdi on a plate, creating the perfect crunchy base. Next, spoon over our flavorful salad mix. Every layer is a burst of flavours. A big spoonful of fresh yogurt goes on top, balancing all the spices beautifully. For the final touch, a drizzle of that zesty green chutney and a handful of pomegranate seeds for a juicy pop. And that's it, a crunchy, creamy, spicy explosion of flavours, our homemade Papdi Chaat. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious content. See you next time.